This is Eric and my channel, the Cajun Blade, and we're gonna do a shave video this evening. I do most of my shaving in the evening, so a shave of the evening we shall call it. Today I'm trying to, all my shaves are coming off of honing videos, try to make it more interesting. All right, so today we're gonna use this Boker that I restored. A buddy of mine gave me. 6'8" with a horn handle. It's been honed up on a synthetic progression to 10K, and then honed on slurry and in water on a Martin, which is a very extremely rare UK slate. You can do your own research on a bunch of detail, but there's not many around. I was very fortunate to have the opportunity to acquire one from a guy I bought an extremely old calico from, which I don't think I've honed on video, but I will eventually. It's a all yellow calico, probably in a pallet one time. Beautiful stone, kind of rubbery, more of a finishing calico. You can use it with some range, but it's not. I can talk about calicos all night, but anyway, the soap tonight is going to be, I talked about it in one of the previous videos, the Dew. Menthol Blast is his best from Not Watch Soap Company. As I've said before, that's the only artisan soap I use. I do use Arco, but I mostly use my own soaps. But Thomas is a shaver. He has a channel on YouTube. He's the guy who puts these out. He's an unbelievable soap maker. This is not a tallow-based soap. It's more of a steric vegan soap, but does a good job. The razor is a Maggard. Yeah, this one is it's not a High Mountain Badger. I don't remember. Finest Badger, yeah. A little, oh man, pre-shave. I really never use pre-shave till I seen this. I just basically would exfoliate my face and use water. This is 1 day's growth. I got a thick beard. I guess I should use pre-shave shave, but I just never got in the habit. We're gonna lather right here off the puck, and then finish face lathering. Starting to see the ring of death in this one. I use my soaps on the road when I'm working a bunch, and then at home I like to enjoy other things, little variety like everybody else. Just finished watching some of Barber Dave stuff. That's another channel that I like. I don't ever mention. You check him out. And he's also got Drinks with Dave, with Nurse Dave. Very entertaining group. I mean, if you can't learn something from a barber, who can you learn it from, you know? All right, here we go. Get rid of the glasses. We just hope we can see through this. All right, excellent. Absolutely good edge. Now, we don't know how to be on a post shave, but the shave itself is nice. This is only the second razor I've honed on this Martin. And I have not given up on convex honing. I really enjoy it. Got a couple caught with shape that's been doing a good job for me. But I did get that Nano 10K to use to jump to my slates. So that's what I've been honing lately. But not long I'll be going back to work, and we'll be back to mostly convex honing on my hollow grounds, less wedges. I did see the difference. I am a believer. But I can't see me converting 100% to any honing method. I like the variety, that's why I do this. And I think that's the beauty of this. If you're not uptight on some forum with male ego, because you don't trust your own manlyhood, why would you give a shit how somebody hones? It really doesn't matter. It's almost like that small guy that wouldn't shower with you in the dressing room during football season, right? He was very insecure about himself, so he lashed out certain ways. Yeah, I like the variety, and I really like that Naniwa 10K Ardennes. Made my life a whole lot easier. I haven't tried it yet. We're going to an arc, but I will. All right, pass 2. Across the grain. And the menthol in soap almost eye-watering. You could probably cut your own throat and not feel it until the next day with this shit. I'm gonna stay away from that sideways pass on my neck. I don't know how much worse it is. It gets it down, but I can also get it down with a good keen razor. And I was building some discomfort after the shave, so not a method I'm gonna continue. Pass 3. I'm pretty excited. I bought a razor from Jared at Superior Shave. TI Smart Razor. I've been looking at them at that sale when he went to France. Just picked that up. Had him home for me. Very anxious to see how his edges come out. Heard nothing but good about Jared when it comes to that. You don't want to be his insurance agent, but man, get home. I just run off my insurance agent this month. Homeowners went up doubled last year, tripled this year. Not a phone call, not a hey, this is coming up, nothing. State of Louisiana is run by criminals, especially the insurance commissioner. But at least you can get a heads up, right? Get a phone call. Couple whippers. All right, that's a wrap. Oh, let's see. Good. That's my grain grows this way. So usually for razors, it's not too keen. I can rub this way and hear something. Perfect. Liking it. For the post shave, I mentholate a lot of my aftershave, especially my cheap aftershave. Aqua Velvet Blue, shitload of menthol in it that I put. I use this a lot in the summertime, and lots of it. Screaming. Loving it. Martin put a heck of an edge on that Boker. Whew, can't hardly keep my eyes open. So, we're enjoying summertime here in South Louisiana. Plenty of mosquitoes if y'all need some. They everywhere. Wasps, bumping 100-degree temperature. Come get you some. There's nothing better than 100-degree temperature with humidity. You can cut with a knife. 100 degrees, 100% humidity, and 100 mosquitoes on you. That's a hat trick. Awesome. So looking forward to it. So hey, thank you for joining me. This is Eric and my channel, Cajun Blade, and y'all catch me on the next one. I'm out.